Indiana lawmakers also voted to drug test welfare recipients, and the issue has bipartisan support. Our TV6 reporter Ebony Monet is live downtown with how this would work. Ebony.
Todd, supporters of this proposal say it's all about protecting children by ensuring they're not in households where drugs are being used, while opponents say it could actually hurt children by cutting them off to aid. Indiana is a step closer to drug testing parents receiving federal aid.
I think it's disturbing when this type of action is taken towards poor people. If it was taken towards affluent people, I think it wouldn't happen.
Monday, Indiana's House of Representatives voted 78-17 for a bill allowing drug screenings for people receiving temporary assistance for needy families, or TANF grants. To qualify, a family of 3 can bring home no more than $288 a week. As of January, there were more than 13,000 Indiana families in the program.
All of us want to help people, and we specifically want to help children, but we don't help children by allowing them to remain in homes where drug abuse is a problem, and we want to try and make sure that we get them out of those environments.
The bill states if a person fails a drug test, he or she is given treatment options and a chance to retest. Repeat fails, however, could mean losing aid.
The way that the statute reads now, if a person tests positive, their children might lose assistance, and I think that's a disaster.
In 2011, Florida passed a law to drug test people receiving welfare. After only 4 months, a federal district judge deemed it unconstitutional, but not before nearly 3% of applicants failed drug test.
Our law is substantially different than what those laws in other states are. We've learned from those states' efforts, and I think we've composed a bill here that takes into account the problems they've had and will be very successful. Now, if this bill becomes a law, applicants will be screened using a multiple choice test. That test is supposed to identify people who are prone to drug use, and the results of that test will determine the pool of people who are randomly selected for drug test. Reporting live downtown, Ebony Monet, RTV6.